In this lesson, we'll start by setting up our development environment and writing our very first line of code, the classic Hello World program. First, let's open Google Chrome and access our developer tools. Once you're in the developer tools, click on the Sources tab. If your developer tools panel is small, you can make it larger to have more space to work with. If by chance you're on the Elements tab and it looks different, don't worry. Just click on the Sources tab and then click the Snippets sub-tab to access the code editor. I will undock my developer tools so that we have more space to work with. Now it's time to create our first JavaScript snippet. Click on the plus icon to add a new snippet. You can give your snippet a name. Let's call it Hello. The .js extension is added automatically, so no need to type it. This snippet is where you'll store all your JavaScript code. Here's where the magic happens. You can write JavaScript code in this snippet and run it right from here. Let's write our first line of code together. Type console.log hello world in the snippet and then save it with Command+S or Control+S for Windows users. Once saved, you'll see the save indicator disappear. To run your code, simply click on the play button at the bottom right. When you do that, you'll see Hello World displayed in the console. Congratulations, you've just written and executed your first JavaScript code. Here's another cool feature. You can copy and paste this code as many times as you like. I'll paste it a few times to demonstrate. After pasting, click Save and then hit the play button. You'll see Hello World printed multiple times. But JavaScript's developer tools offer even more. You can set breakpoints in your code to help with debugging. To add a breakpoint, click on the line number where you want to pause the code execution. Then, click the play button. The code execution will pause at the breakpoint, and you can inspect variables and step through the code line by line. This is incredibly helpful for debugging and understanding how your code works. In this lesson, we've covered the basics of opening snippets in Google Chrome's developer tools, writing code, running it, and even debugging it. In the next video, we'll dive into another crucial topic, variables. Can't wait to see you there as we continue our JavaScript journey.